Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Feels good to be back because it's been a while, but I wanted to show you guys how I do my easy crock pot potato soup. So stay tuned. So for the soup that we're gonna do, here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. We got hash browns here, some cheese. I do a blended cheese. It has Colby and Monterey Jack. And I also do bacon bits, cream of chicken, we got 2 of these, cream cheese, and chicken broth. And fun fact, all of these ingredients are from Aldi. I absolutely love Aldi. It's a money saver. And if you don't like Aldi, then we can't be friends because Aldi is my life. So I'm gonna get these things into the crock pot and I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. So here's a tip. I just went ahead, I like to go ahead and put my cream of chicken soup and my chicken broth in a separate bowl and make sure they're mixed together very well before I pour them over into the crock pot so the soup won't be lumpy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this in to the hash browns that I already have in my crock pot. So I'm just gonna pour this over. And everything's just really nice and smooth because you do want to have a smooth soup. And that's the chicken that's in the soup. Alright, so I'm going to go and add the bacon bits and the cheese. And I will show you guys the product. Okay, so in my crock pot, I have the shredded hash browns, the cream of chicken soup, the chicken broth that I mixed together separately and poured it over the hash browns, and I added the bacon bits. Now I'm not gonna add the cheese into the crock pot while it's cooking. I'm just gonna wait until the soup is done and we'll just top it with cheese. And I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna put the top on it and I'm gonna let it cook on low. Let me see, we're gonna press slow cook low. And it's set to cook for 3 hours, but I'm gonna put it on for 4 hours and 30 minutes because I'll be gone taking my kids to gymnastics. And this is gonna cook while we're away. And before I serve it, I'm gonna mix in the cream cheese, but I'm just gonna let it sit out on the counter so it can get nice and soft and it'll be easy to mix it in with the soup. And then I left like half of my bacon bits in here so that we can put that on top with the cheese. And that's basically it. This is so easy. Your kids could do it. It's super easy. And it doesn't take a lot of ingredients and it's very easy and cheap to make. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. And if I remember, I'll come back on here and show you guys the finished results. Have a blessed day. So I wanted to show you guys what the soup looks like when it's all done. I've gone ahead and put the cream cheese in there. And now we're just ready to serve. And you can put whatever toppings you want. Bacon bits, cheese, sour cream, whatever you like. But this is the final product. Oh my gosh, it looks so yummy, so creamy, very delicious. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. You guys have a blessed evening. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.